First I threaded the needle, then I dropped the needle, freestyle, gave it gas. Now I know where all my dance moves came from in the 90s. It comes
Through
from
sewing?
Deann and Maulan live in a townhome that's perfect for the two of them, but not so perfect for all of her creative hobbies. The supplies are piling up. I need to help her get organized and craft her a craft room.
Welcome to the craft room.
Wow, okay.
It's a lot of stuff, I know.
There is a lot going, whoa! And it keeps going. So you do some sewing, scrapbooking, cards. Your hobby is collecting hobbies.
Yeah, I definitely need your help to organize this space and make it into a workable craft room again.
So I've done this before, I can do it again. What if I said we'll get this done in a day?
I'd love to see that. I can't possibly imagine that right now.
Yeah.
All right, we can do it. I got some ideas, so let's clear things out and let's get this done. We only have a day. I was looking around and I was thinking, it's a craft room. We should be making pillows, not buying pillows. Maybe you can even teach me, because it's been a long time since I've used a sewing machine.
So if you put the magnet here, and then you align it up, and then start sewing.
Oh my gosh, it goes faster! You know, watch this, watch this.
You're gonna freestyle now?
Freestyle, freestyle. One hand, one hand. I'm a pro now. This is gonna be the world's best pillow. Look at that!
Look at that.
Who knew? That's perfect. Perfect. Deann's craft room is looking amazing. It's looking organized. I've done something modular. I'm using a gladiator system, so if she doesn't like where I put things, she can move them around. It's pretty easy. It's all on the gear wall. Lots of storage if she wants to tuck things away. I'm just opening up a whole bunch of hooks and baskets, and I've done an entire gear wall here. It's looking good. All right, Maulan, Deann, are you ready for this?
Showtime.
All right, I'm throwing the pillow in. Meet me upstairs.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Wow. Oh my God.
This is not my place. Oh my gosh.
God.
Not my
Are you
room.
kidding me?
You did this
This
in
is
a day?
amazing.
Wow.
Oh my God, I think I'm cracked.
Holy.
This is amazing.
You can do as you please. It's what's called gear wall. The whole wall holds anything, and there's dozens of these hooks sitting around. Look at this.
Oh my sewing
You're so-
machine. I love that. Oh my goodness.
You've got
Fabric
another space
paper.
here,
Yeah.
right? And then, of course, all these drawers.
I get to lay flat and I could see it. Oh my goodness, this is awesome.
So you've got lots of spare parts and hooks and shelves, and everything here you can delete or remove. It's very easy. They all just pop off and pop on.
Yeah.
So play with the space the way you want.
Thank you so much. Oh my God. It's amazing.
I'll skip the hug, but that's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get real crafty with this.
I will.
All right, have fun, guys. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thanks again.
Bye. Did you get your finger?
That thing hit me. Just scared me. Just scared me. Just
Okay.
scared me.
Okay.
It's okay.